Hello.
Good day, sir. Is that Mr. Charles Knott?
It is.
Sir, my name is Jonathan. I'm calling you from the EPA, the Environment Protection Agency. How are you today, sir?
Yes.
Are you the registered owner of a motorcycle CFM 659?
Okay, what's the relevance of the question?
Basically, it's just my job to follow up. We have received... are you there, sir?
I'm here now.
Okay, so we have received a few complaints in the Somerset West area about noise levels of your motorcycle.
You got to be kidding me.
Basically, I just want to explain to you is that we protect what we call noise pollution in the suburban areas. And, you know, a lot of the time, I must be honest, we do get complaints from these old grannies and, you know, they're just serial complainers and they've got nothing better to do but complain, sir. Basically, I just wanted to ask you a few questions about the motorcycle in question because there is an accepted, what we call the dB range that a motorcycle should be.
Where does the complaint originate?
I can say there have been more than one complaint in the Somerset West area.
Well, it's a Harley Davidson and they sound like they sound. I mean, otherwise you're going to take every single Harley Davidson in the country off the road, or what?
Standard Harley Davidsons have proven not to be a problem, but when some people put different exhaust pipes on and they take mufflers out for more power or whatever they do.
I find it strange that you can't divulge from whence comes complaint. How do I know that this is a valid complaint? So what next now?
Roughly, how does it sound, the low-end rumble, when it's sort of just idling? Is it like a bop, 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 or is it more like a bap, 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 you know what I mean?
So bop, bop, bop. It sounds like a Harley sounds. I mean, a Harley has a very distinctive sound to it. That's how it sounds, yeah. It's not high-pitched.
Sir, could you give that to me again? How does it go?
Bop, 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 bop. How does that go?
Okay, but now if you're revving it a bit, sir, how would it go?
Well, it's low. It's the same, just faster and lower. It's my word. Okay, bop, 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 bop.
If the wheels were in motion, let's say that, sir.
It's at a lower tone than that.
Could you give that to me again, please, sir?
You know what? I'm going to shit in my pants if I do that again.
And if you were to change gears, I need you to make that sound, and I will judge whether or not that is at an acceptable noise level.
There's no sound when it changes gears. It goes back to pop, 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 pop.
Do it again, but I want you to rev it, sir, like you having a dice. Okay, so just give it one small.
Okay.
Now rev it.
Now I'm going to burst the button and say shit in my pants if I do that again.
Okay, no, sir, I need you to change gears. I need you to go from idling to revving to changing gears, and then we're done. Now rev it. Open it up.
How does that sound?
Sir, that sounds perfectly of an acceptable noise level to me, sir. I just wanted to inform you that I'm not actually phoning from the EPA. I'm actually phoning from 94.7 Hufford Stereo in Joburg. It's Whackhead Simpson.
I'll tell you what you need to do. Sit over your shoulder. I owe you one.